Another unboxing video. I know it's been a while. Christmas tends to bankrupt me, so can't always get what I want. Gotta make other people happy. But now it's time to make myself happy. I'm selfish. Greed. This knife needs sharpened again. Kitty, what are you doing over there? Okay, anyway, today I've been wearing antique glasses and antique night shirt. It's actually really long. Don't want you guys looking under my skirt. Anyway, today I have an antique vest. We'll see if it fits me because I'm not really sure. Didn't see a maker's mark in the listing, but I could definitely identify it as probably being Edwardian-1920s. I will appreciate the fact that they wrapped it separate in addition to going in the envelope. I think they actually cleaned it. It smells washed. I hate that it's a silk back. Silk backs supposed to be worn with a suit jacket. Not supposed to be worn independently. If you're going to wear it independently without a suit jacket, without a frock coat, anything like that, material on the front, material on the back, gotta be the same. So in this case, we have a very coarse wool material here. I know it's going to be hard to see because not only is this my front-facing camera, but this is also black. And black has a contrast issue with our modern cameras, so it never shows up very well. I've worn so many black vests and suits that are just wonderful in person, and when you look at the picture, it's solid black. He's wearing a black hole. Anyway, we got our waffle pattern baskety, whatever you want to call it, buttons on here. Now it's going to be hard to see because front-facing camera is always crap. But anyway, I'm going to guess, actually this is a surprisingly decorative one. Sometimes these metal adjusters have patents on them, so I'm going to guess that there is a patent on here. I know it's very hard to tell, but there is a beautiful Art Nouveau styling to it. Anyway, this vest is in very nice shape given its age. It does have a tear in it, I saw that in the photos. Not very concerned about that. However this was stored, it was stored quite excellent. Most likely laid flat in a trunk or sitting in a wardrobe somebody somehow managed to drag up to an attic. Did I live in an attic? But you can see the room, my room on my video at a later date. Anyway, just to verify, there are no tags whatsoever. That's not uncommon with bespoke, as all the modern pretentious people like to say today. Let's see if there's anything inside the pocket. Sometimes there's tags in there. Even back in the day, sometimes a tag went in the pocket. Actually, what do we have here? Where did it go? It looks like a crumbled piece of paper, honestly. Actually, we have several pieces of debris in here. Here's where the archaeologist, scientist in me comes out. I will study that in a bit. It might be shell, might be from a shell button from another article of clothing that was disintegrating, or it could be a type of glass, but then we also have brown thread. Nothing in there either. So let's try it on. Does it fit? That is the $10 question. Because yeah, I'm a small guy. And this shirt makes me look bigger than I am. I can generally fit into antique clothing. Not very well. However, with some alterations, I can usually make them work. So my waist is, or my pants would be here. Obviously in the Edwardian era and Victorian, they wore their pants much higher. So with suspenders, they would be higher. And it looks like I can actually get this thing to close. Now it is definitely tight. This is as small as I would ever go. This is probably going to be like a 32 to 34. But I can make it work. I'm going to go back on the diet I was on, the keto diet. Because I stopped that the last few months. I guess I lost one of my buttons. There we go. Nope. Tiny buttons and big fingers just don't work out very well. Yes, I know it's really hard to tell. It is a nice, very coarse woven material with puffs of gray to it, really. I really like it. I figured it'd be kind of small, but I'm pretty happy. Even if it is silkback. Hate silkback. You'll never see me wearing any silkback vests except for this one, because at the price and the nice quality material and the basket weave patterns. Maybe we can see it in the light. Let's try to get some light. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, well, until next time, guys. Happy holidays. Have a great new year.